Hey YouTube, welcome to episode 9 of the Econoline build. This one's a little late because I've been kind of cranking out a bunch of different things on it, but lots of updates. So I'll show you. I'm wiring, so the wire's kind of a nightmare right now, but it's getting there. Got everything all kind of hooked up. Those seats are just sitting there. I'm still kind of figuring out what I'm going to do with that. I think they're going to go right there though. And then under here we got the old engine. I had to modify the doghouse pretty heavily to get this intake on here and that distributor fit and that alternator fit also. So no shocker that everything had to be changed again. Sorry for the terrible metal work right there, but this design was kind of hard to make, so it works, and at the end of the day it'll all be covered anyway with carpet or sound deadening. So that's in there. I had to go with these seats because the new engine cover wouldn't give me enough room to put the seats in that I wanted to put in, but those match the van anyway, so pretty good. And then over here, let's see, I got all my fuse panel and battery right here. I'm gonna make all these wires real pretty once it's all done, but right now we're just going through and wiring everything. I have it wired well enough that it starts and runs. I broke the cam in yesterday, so that was kind of scary, but it's all going to plan here. So I got the exhaust system set up. It's a little loud, but that's alright. Just goes headers to a muffler to a downpiper here, so turns out pretty good. Lights are on. It's been so long since I've done a updated video that I don't remember the last thing I talked about. I think I was doing brakes last time. So I had to update the master cylinder, which made me have to also update all of the mounts and brackets and everything in there. New brake pedal. It's a little high. I think I'm gonna cut it here and put it back a little further, and then that'll make it a little easier to transition from gas to brake. But that master cylinder is far better than the other one. Let's see. This tack is trash. Don't buy these are garbage. So I'm going to, I already ordered another one, but it's just a all-in-one. It's got like indicators for everything, so hopefully that'll be better. But it's got the tack, the speedometer, and it has all the turn signal and headlight indicators and all that jazz, so it'd be pretty cool. But yeah, fire it up for you. It's a little loud. It's a little louder than I thought it would be, but definitely doesn't sound like a van. I'll go get the keys real quick. Wanted to use those seats, but they didn't fit, so that's why I've got those other ones. Broke in the cam yesterday, so that was a big win. Ran it at 2,500 RPM for like 30 minutes. It's always scary. Let's see if it'll start with no gas. I don't know. Let's see. So, this isn't really that tight yet. 2 seconds. So it's a little louder than I expected it to be, but I think it'll get much quieter once I put all the sound deadener on here. But yeah, so it's exciting. I actually drove it around the cul-de-sac here earlier and tried to figure out that 3 on the tree. I think I understand. I haven't shifted it at speed or anything, but it's kind of hard to drive it right now with all this junk everywhere anywhere. So I'm just gonna keep on wiring and getting everything all set, but it's coming along. I'm excited to go for the interior here and get this all nice. So it's pretty good. All right, well, that's the update. Sorry I didn't video any of the progress, but if you're doing this, I don't recommend getting rid of anything because unless you have to and because it's broken like mine was, but if you can keep stuff, I would, because there's the aftermarket for this vehicle is pretty trash. So you have to find things that are close that will fit and then make it work. So yeah, but yeah, everything's working out. So all right, cool. Well, I think the next update will be just all this wiring kind of loomed together and cleaned up nicely, and I'll cut the length. I still have to wire turn signals, wipers, headlights, rear turn signals, brake lights, and all that good stuff. So, but once I get all that wiring done, it should be pretty set. I got a little heater. Where's that? There it is. So I got one of these heaters. It's a little diesel heater. I'm gonna install it and probably route it so it can defrost the windshield and everything. So I'll probably set it like right here, and then it'll blow back towards everyone, and then I'll have another pipe that runs forward up through and then to the windshield so it defrosts everything. And then I got some mirrors on the way, but yeah, it's coming up, pretty much done. So looking forward to driving this thing, see how hard it is. All right, thanks for watching.